Tap into Half Krazy Clothing, man.
Definitely.
We got all sizes. We got t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, unlimited merch, man. Get with me. HalfKrazyClothing.net.
Definitely. Where they can find you out on Instagram and all that.
HalfKrazy__.
Definitely. Make sure y'all go tap in. Y'all gonna see me wearing some of this gear in the video, so make sure y'all tap in. I'm gonna put a link down in the description and everything. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video. So today I'm at the alignment shop because I can say for the past 4 months I've been dealing with this crazy wheel shake around like 70 miles per hour when I hit the brakes, and it's been driving me crazy. I done replaced my rotors 2 times. I made sure they was sitting flush. Yep. But back to what I was saying, I replaced them 2 times and I'm still getting that. So hopefully I don't have like no bad bushing in my lower control arms. But they got this thing on the lift. Let me show y'all. So they got it up here on the lift. They're making sure all the tire pressures are all the same. I know for sure that shit needed that too bad. And they about to start doing their thing. So this how it look underneath. I guess this how they level it out. And then they start to put on like the little things on the side of the freaking rims and all that. So once they start gathering everything on the car, I'm gonna cut y'all back on, show y'all the process. Probably throw y'all in time lapse mode because I don't want to bore y'all to death, but hope everybody day going well, man. Just got back from Connecticut, New York and Connecticut. My brother got married. Congratulations to you, bro. Love you. Had a wonderful time out there. Got to bring my kids and my girl. So got to come back to California feeling refreshed, feeling good, man. You know what I'm saying? But make sure if y'all need a alignment in the Sacramento area, make sure y'all come to American Auto Care. They got deals on the 4-wheel alignment, so make sure y'all come check their ass out, man. Don't miss out on that. But yo, the owner of this shop got this fire M3. Clean. This is little track build right here. I ain't gonna lie. Once I get my 370, if I don't get the 370 or the Q60, no cap. After one of those cars added to the fleet, I'm going M4 or M3 straight up with 340M straight up. But yeah, so this is like the little process they doing. I don't want to walk in the shop getting in nobody's way, but that's the little process they do. Damn, look. I don't know if y'all can see, but look how bad my drain look right there. It's red on the computer screen, so I don't know what that means, but it's gonna get fixed. He got it in his hand right there. Yeah, once they get it all settled, I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, so we got the driver's side all marked up and stuff already. So probably about to do the other side. That tool he got in his hand, that goes on the steering wheel and the brake to make sure it's straight. And yeah, that's how you get a correct alignment for people who don't know. Hell yeah, man. I got another little M3 over here. I ain't gonna lie, when I was younger, yo, I wanted one of these so bad. My first car would have been one of those. Not an M3, but it would be like a 328 or something like that, 330, whatever they came in like that. Yeah, my first car would have been one of those. Somebody that lived on my mother's street had one. I was gonna ride it, but it had like idle problems. Once you started up, it'd be like a PCB valve or some bullshit. I don't know what the hell. But I ended up getting me like a '99 Honda Civic with I think I had like a B16 or something like that in there. B16 for sure. But yeah, man, memories right here. I definitely gotta get me another Honda too. Like, some things is just too fun to drive and work on. Like, the easiest cars to beat on, work on, brakes, and get them back on the road. But yeah, man. Just chilling so tired of going through that problem. But I ain't gonna lie, like my specs on my like my toe and all that don't look like it's off. Everything look like it's correct. So hopefully, man, everything good. In the rear, I could tell like just stick out a little bit. Hopefully they do that for me, fix that. Yeah, this side right here is sticking out a little bit too. Yeah, so that's probably gonna get fixed too. So we'll see what's good. It's my dream right here, y'all, to have me a nice shop too, like a nice lift somewhere I can store my car, come, get away, bring the kids, teach them something. I think they over here trying to figure out the overheating problem on this car right here. Them drinks known for overheating them freaking four cruises. Probably like a radiator problem or something. It's good. So the Infiniti coming off the lift. They said my right passenger tire was freaking flat. So they put some air on it. My alignment ain't look bad at all. So the problem probably could be my rotors again. So we're just gonna have to get these rotors, get new rotors again, get the job done, get it fixed. Check if I don't have no contamination in my brake fluid or anything, or air in my brake lines, everything. So yeah, so this was my alignment specs right here. Everything looked fine. So he told me basically to like I was just saying, just go get some new rotors, because rotors always get bad easily, especially like just coming from where they were. So let's get some new rotors. It's kind of a bummer because I'm just tired of this, all this, like, but I'm gonna do it. Give me some new rotors, and after that, I'm gonna finally go shoot out and get tuned. That's what really been stopping me from getting tuned. I got everything to be tuned. I got the spark plugs and everything already. Got another, got a bigger box too. I just dropped it because this lady almost merged into me. Like, people really don't be paying attention while they drive. Like, but got everything. I'm ready to be tuned. It's paid for. I just want to solve all the problems on my car before I go get tuned, so I could just drive it how I want to. So that's it of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you everybody that support, because we've been running it up, like for real, we've been running it up. I appreciate you guys too. Like, the support is real. I love it. So thank you again. It's your boy Mo, and I'm out.